Are you looking for a seamless way to migrate your emails? Welcome to WholeClear. Mail migration allows you to effortlessly transfer emails from one IMAP account to another. Key features of the email migration tool. Instant email transfer. Transfer your emails between accounts instantly, without any delay. Support for various cloud accounts. Migrate emails across multiple cloud platforms seamlessly. Advanced filtering options. Use filters to customize and refine your migration. Maintain folder structure. Keep your email folder hierarchy intact during the migration process. Complete guide to migrate emails from one host to another. Step 1. Download and install the WholeClear mail migration software on your Windows system. Step 2. Open the software and enter the host address, username, and password of your source IMAP account. Once done, click the Authenticate Me button. Step 3. Provide the target IMAP account's host address, username, and password. Click the Authenticate Me button to proceed. Step 4. Choose the desired folder or all folders from the source IMAP account. Optionally, check the Apply Filters option to refine your selection. Step 5. Select the target folder or create a new folder for the migration. Step 6. Hit the Start Transferring button to begin the migration process. By following these simple steps, you can easily migrate your emails from one host to another. With the right login details, this process will be fast and trouble-free. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.